right, everybody, welcome back to Vanland. We are back from our little social media break that we took over the holidays, and we're so happy to be with you guys again. Coming up in 2022, we've got a bunch of great stuff to share with you guys. We've got new products, new van builds that we can bring you along on, and a bunch of other cool stuff that you won't want to miss. We wanted to thank you guys so much for joining this community in 2021. We've been really excited to be interacting with our community, and it's grown much faster than we thought it would, so thank you guys. But actually, before we jump into 2022, we wanted to share with you guys some of our favorite moments from 2021.
We ain't got nothing to lose. Staring up is what we do.
It just seems like everybody that we meet from 18 to 81 wants to be in the van life.
And the middle is no way. We are the highway. We are the highway. And we ain't got nothing to lose.
You know, one of the first things that I ask clients when they come in to talk about building a van is like, what's your ideal day? What's the dream day that you have in mind? That's what determines how the van is designed and ultimately built.
Too cool to be bad, too awesome to be cruel. Fast cars don't appeal to us. We run things, don't talk it through. And
I know that when people are just starting to look for what kind of van they want an awesome van. We're making this video specifically so we can help people like get in the ballpark about how much a van build is going to cost.
There's a spectrum, right? And so it depends on like how much you want in your van and what you want to do with it.
It's all hands on deck, basically.
staring up is what we do. And me and mine, we take what we want. We are the colors.
Please come and help. We need more hands.
There's no way. We are the highway. We are the highway.
This is a very special day for us because we're going to be revealing to you guys one of the most complex and intense builds that we did this year, and it turned out to be one of the most amazing vans that we've ever built at Vanland.
We ain't got nothing to lose. Staring up
They
is
will have the capacity to carry 7 passengers in this van, which is pretty unusual for a camper van. Usually 4 is about the maximum number of people that you can comfortably seat, but in this one, 7 people. That's a little bit unique.
we are the highway.
It's like your own little world that travels around with you, and there's just something special about that. It's one of those things where like once you do it, you realize this was totally worth it. If you, like us, enjoy the van life, this is a place where you will want to be this year. So thank you guys so much, and we will see you in the coming months.